younger actors, and specifically younger Polynesian actors, can look up at what's been created in 10 years time, like I did when the original Moana came out, and go, well, that looks like me, that could be me. Hi, I'm Catherine Laga'aia. I'm a Samoan English actor. I'm 18 years old and I just finished the Diploma of Stage and Screen at NIDA. And I'm playing live action Moana in Disney's live action Moana. I wanted to study at NIDA originally because my two siblings before me studied at NIDA. It really brought them out of their shells and helped them to kind of extend what they already knew, because I obviously knew them as people who were already so talented. So when I finished filming, I immediately knew I wanted to go to NIDA. I knew that that would be my next step. I was lucky enough that I got to film a couple of things for Moana after the main chunk of the course at NIDA, and kind of stepping away from NIDA and back onto set. I think the main things that I took from it were knowing how to hold myself, knowing how to kind of conduct myself in a professional space, and trying to put the things that I learned not only in my screen classes but also in my stage classes about like presence, which is obviously something Dwayne Johnson has in spades, trying to kind of match that energy with what I've learned at NIDA. Moana meant the world to me. I don't think I ever thought that I'd get to play a character at that scale who was so similar to me but also so authentic in herself and so original. I can only hope that as my career goes on, I get to play characters who I resonate with and mean something to me and to others. There is no corners and edges to storytelling. You can tell any story however you want, whether you adapt it from something else or you build it up from the ground. There is no rules to storytelling, which I think makes it so accessible to everyone and why it's such a sought after avenue for people to go down.